Chelsea Weather on her 15th birthday, and we're getting ready to go outside to snow. Okay, we've already been out here once before. I just went inside to get my camera. And so now, I'm documenting. So I figured it would be pretty fun, you know? Just to see what it's like. Let's see, there we have Natalie, and then Nicole and Emily. The guys aren't here yet, so we're just kind of hanging outside and out. As Nicole said, we don't know if the guys are coming. But Emily and Nicole are talking. Oh, dang, the battery's low. And it's me and Natalie. See? Oh. So, ooh, look! It's our Madagascar king. What was his name? Alex?
No, that was the tire.
That was the lion, honey.
I'm sorry.
But that's our Madagascar king.
Yeah, we
And
can't
see, we've pretty much kind of destroyed my yard. Kind of, not really.
If we wanted to, we could.
But are we doing Charlie's Angels Man like I was doing in Baywatch?
I'll watch.
Let's roll, Natalie.
Ready? Hold on. Gotta make it to where I just kind of pop in.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Wait.
Baywatch.
Baywatch?
And theme music. And cue theme music now. Oh my god. And he's a freaking wrestler. I mean, come on. I was standing next to you.
Hi, Charles there.
Slow down the pace. It's really cool.